wakwaba midi ede adwoa search him mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ena okase ochre say ende ade a NDC amayoku no ena omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama eye wo Ghana hanom no eye ade a enye baako sei enso anikura. Marie echre say watna se ehu say NDC amayoku no omo ye incompetent enya de a omo betumi ebu Ghana man no ena fen so omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ontumi nhwe Ghana fo so ende anase ochena enti 2024 ema na yento aba emfa ema no. Marie echre say ewum sa de a NDC fo eye no enye but Ghana fo ema yemfa blame no ema NDC amayoku no yemfa blames ni nyina ema ono Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu no. Ose she is ready to accept any blames because she is part of the reasons why and the NDC for omo enya no a omo ekasa gbegbegbe e wo Ghana hanoma omo eye nyema ensem fata a omanpende da John Dramani Mahama enemu eye campaigner auto ayampia all kensem and that voters register omo ankasa de court omo ankasa omo primary simple emu na aye corrupt say NDC for no omo eni suban but Marie etre say ni nyina emu no oka ho because 2020 abreba beto aba no omo no omo jeje omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama so and then they need to mind that he thinks so betimi asanso abaye president no but Marie etre say president ni de nya do betimi ababe debate Ghana for ema yemfa blame bia ema NDC for yemfa blames ni na ema ono Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu because she is part of the reasons why enyama we na ekoso Ghana han na enti ensema Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ede etuya
me redeem Ghana na so no kwa na bet me redeem Ghana owie ne 4 years now then what next then who next owie say 8 years simple assuming say he comes and he tweaks the constitution and obet na shwa to say nyankopon be frɛ no kra nyankopon frɛ na then who next what next. Let us not create that impression because that is what we have done. That is what we have done. And I played a role in it. From say year 2020, your budget ne shwa till say me who kululu ewa NDC from say audio ne ba ya. In fact, before the audio, Holland and some ne ba ya me who said there be party and ya papa army free mo. But we have now created an impression and accept you akwa President Mahama trim. A question it trim say ono nko na betumi age o man Ghana and that is false. It is false. But you know what? We will give him a reality check next year, God willing. We will give President Mahama what Kwesi Bruni calls a reality check, God willing, next year. We will give him a reality check. MPP, we will give John Mahama a reality check, God willing, next year. Because it is a third defeat and finally Ebema message a sinking in Amane say he needs to retire from active politics. And so we will do that, God willing, next year. We will retire him. We will retire him. Finally, we will retire him. Now moka as sebio MPP for any challenges kakrentino. Ghana for your boy for MPP so much that we are done with MPP. We ain't done with MPP yet. The mistake some of us made, and they say Yantina MPP niyan kano koranchero. That was the mistake some of us made. But this time around, MPP for na name say yaba no so de ne yaba. Yebeka no koranchero omo, but yebeto aba ma MPP. Yebeka no kware achre MPP. But yebeto aba ma MPP. Ya party. Omo chia, we will let them know. We will sharpen the MPP after all new impending for and a brand new crop of people. Enti ye catch the MPP penny for Mr. Stephen in team, Justin Kodrianom, and Oma say, more plotty planet, some more baby recycling my NDR. And ye best more, you have another thing coming because ye moving on Yankopon de Yabamono. Ye moving on Yamidi Yabamono. Debbie na ye jina wanim kura ye kan nokre. Ye me nya camera nko a o. Enye camera nko a. Ye jina wanim kura ye beka nokra kire. Because enya atemdidie ni ye bedi. Ye beka nokware no. Ye beka nokware no such that obia so ti asema ye ka kire wo a asema nipa na uko kawa baby say oh enipa se mesi o kan say ni say uko kawa baby obi ababi sa say na asema na o ka kire wo no say eye no kware asema na o ka kire wo no say eye no kware enti o china me papa his excellency John Dramani Mahama, I wish him all the best. Monto abamano monto na massively na munye na mra na yene ni nhyia for next year na yen retire no finally no nkwaje na home okohwe maami Lodina no hwe ne grandchildren e den komoni besia for today. All the best to NDC fo nyina kumewu monto abama kwesi amankwa senior, all the best. Wa Central monto abama Dr. Rashid Pelpo and Mwaka Dr. Grace Dankwa. And she's a very wonderful woman. I've met her personally. Or by London, her.
And some way, and Madame Marie, Amwakwa Bwedu, Ede Atuja, or Chese, says in when you know, when someone Penida John Dramani Mahama, I grow on any sudodo, and yard deal between me, Abebwa Ghana, my Ghana for Yamana Yeninda, when you make sure, say 2024, your best sake, and this for no more cotton position now, by 60 years, and no munyan by cry. On Bemana Chese NPP for us, show mine, and bully, and Madame Marie, Amwakwa Bwedu, and I'm Okase, because I didn't know Debia, Madame Marie, Dabi. Or call NDC no any the oye ni na me de ba wa we follow me acha no nti se we afima ba NPP no akon se nyina onanka se ka de a ese me sanso e de ebrot ensem we e na Marie e de atudwa
ntuma wo de ba wa de ase no ane te ho da so twa mo ho a wo de tidwo mu we ntuma wo de ba wa de ase no kora wo fa bi because ukun akọware no ye NDC ni wa mobra ntu wo fa bi ntoma a otoma a wo de ba ware ase eno anende etwe wase a wo de ye den wo de ton tos wo dwam we na ban bi tua wo ba fees ya ma wo be ma sebe kwado to NDC ni na wo ne wo ye no wantumi amfa wo ba nko school na obi abaso wo de wo ba nko school a wo se wo tan se nipa no because we ye NDC ni wadwene ye adwuma utiketa sika ya de man say afibia nsuo betwi fam so enti enye si defense mamo yes ye kodi ene nsuo yiri ase betwi afa ye so oko green book mu so dia ye keta si defense oko green book mu a yes ye keta si defense. Why would NDC keep doing what they are doing? Because the ordinary Ghanaian is not grateful of where we were to where we have become. Or maybe affairs no ote oh mete da kuma last stop into be fine okay udu awohia na wafa roundabout no roundabout na do be ba brofo nkate na ase na wonya asane a taxi driver for them for mo crowd up pekrenchi because ne ba akoko ho na wafa fitafo no mo fitafo no bra akoko no bisa na obe kire say mango dua sana na ye kire direction wo Ghana and then they say there be. Where are you going? I'm going to Awahem Kwanta. Awahem Kwanta. You have 1 hour 15 minutes to Awahem Kwanta. 1 hour kono. Ose shinsiye. Ah. Ose shinsiye.